The one I have here is the smart-looking shadow black color variant. For its budget range, the phone packs in a beast of a processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678. Coupled with a 4GB RAM, the phone enables the user to perform heavy tasks with ease. The 6.43 AMOLED dot display comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Its 20:9 aspect ratio and 2400 by 1080 pixel screen resolution ensures great sharpness and bright, vivid colors, making the phone ideal for media viewing and everyday usage. Megapixel Sony IMX582, which provides a stunning level of detail. Additionally, it has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 2-megapixel macro camera, and a depth sensor. The powerful 5000 mAh battery will easily last you a day and a half of moderate use, and the fast 33-watt charger will charge your phone reasonably fast. The handset has an internal memory of 64GB, which is further expandable up to 512GB via a memory card slot.